This is how it's gonna be. This is what you think of me. It's going down like I told you. This is how it's gonna be. I'll be the last man standing here. I'm not going anywhere. It's going down like I told you. I'll be the last man standing here. I'm gonna rock you. I'm gonna rock you. I'm gonna rock you. I'll have you begging for mercy, begging for mercy. Oh, I'm dangerous.
Not just excited about getting married, but also excited for the fact that we'll be building our own family.
Remember that God entered the human history through a family, the family of Joseph, Mary, and Jesus. And it is through your family that God would continue to shower His blessings on us.
Deep in will, I was blind, but now I see.
With all those in mind who would not say, I do to you. You are as smart as they come and tremendously hard worker, a compassionate soul, one of the easiest people to get along with, and not to mention my best friend.
Take me to your place, where our hearts belong together. I will follow you.
Joy and Mika, remember that the love you have for each other is God's gift to you. What you make of that love is your offering back to God.
Joy, the one who balances anger, disgust, fear, and sadness. You, the one who brought joy into my life. To balance my anger, disgust, fear, and sadness.
First, I would like to take this opportunity para magpasalamat sa parents ng bride for sharing this wonderful blessing to me.
Each day gets closer, so hold on strong.
Joy and Mika, why are you here?
To get the blessing from Lord God.
To be as one.
Pag dumating ho yung panahong mag-away sila, pakipapanood ho ulit sa kanila yung video ng sagot nila.
And I'm really thankful that you said yes when I asked you to marry me.
Do you take joy here present for your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes.
Go back to this day when you finally decided to say yes to the Lord and believe in forever.
Yes, Father.
Yes, Father.
During the time ng single ako, I don't know if this is applicable sa lahat ng lalaki, pero the first question that comes into my mind as I grew older, paano mo malalaman kung siya na yung taong gusto mo makasama mo? It was never really easy to answer, but when I met you, nung nakilala kita, hindi ko kagad siya nasagot. Pero bigla ko nalang naramdaman na she's the one.
I can't wait to watch even more of our dreams unfold, although it may have taken us a while to finally be together. I have to admit, it was all worth it. I love you. And I promise not to let go of this hand forever.
in front of him, I would like to let you all guys know na Nika, promise you that I'll give the fidelity, to be faithful, to be faithful, to be faithful.
For you, each day gets closer, so hold on stronger to
I prayed for you even before I met you. And from this day forward, I will forsake all others and be bound only to you. I promise to love you through sickness and in health, through our riches and in our poorest, and in good times and in bad,